Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0462, indicates an issue with the fuel level sensor, commonly known as the fuel gauge sending unit. This component plays a crucial role in measuring the fuel level in the tank and sending this information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. When the sensor's output voltage is lower than a specified threshold, the PCM registers this abnormality and stores DTC P0462. This can affect the accuracy of the fuel gauge reading, potentially leading to driver confusion about the actual fuel level. The fuel gauge sending unit is integrated with the fuel tank, making it essential for indicating fuel levels accurately. It is situated within the fuel tank, which complicates access for inspections and repairs. Understanding this fault is critical for ensuring that vehicle performance and driver safety are maintained without interruptions due to misleading fuel level readings. The error described by DTC P0462 reflects a disruption associated with the fuel level sensor, or fuel gauge sending unit, and its capability to relay accurate fuel level information. This sensor is integrated with the fuel tank unit, which means it is not a standalone component. Replacing or inspecting it may require removing the fuel tank. The fuel level sensor is pivotal as it converts the physical fuel level into an electrical signal, allowing the gauge in the vehicle's dashboard to show the driver how much fuel is available. If this output voltage dips below a certain threshold, it suggests that the sensor may be malfunctioning, thus signaling a fault to the PCM. This could result in significant driving confusion, as any inaccuracies in fuel level indication may lead to unexpected fuel depletion while driving. Proper functioning of this component is essential for both safety and performance of the vehicle. The potential causes of DTC P0462 mainly involve the fuel gauge sending unit, external wiring issues, or the gauge control module. A faulty fuel gauge sending unit signifies that the sensor itself may be damaged or malfunctioning, affecting its ability to send accurate voltage readings to the PCM. Additionally, there may be issues in the external circuit that connects the fuel gauge sending unit to the gauge control module, such as short circuits or breaks in the wiring. These external circuit issues could lead to low voltage signals that could trigger the DTC. Alternatively, if the gauge control module, which receives data from the fuel sending unit, is not functioning correctly, it could misinterpret the information, thereby causing the low voltage reading. Each of these factors needs thorough inspection for a correct diagnosis and eventual resolution of the problem indicated by the DTC. When DTC P0462 triggers, a few notable symptoms can be observed by the driver. The most apparent issue is inaccurate fuel gauge readings. The gauge may show empty even when the tank is adequately filled, or vice versa. This leads to confusion and could put the driver at risk of running out of fuel unexpectedly. Additionally, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver of a malfunction that requires attention. In some instances, the PCM's response to this fault could even lead to decreased engine performance as it attempts to adjust vehicle operations based on the erroneous data received from the faulty components. Consequently, these symptoms highlight the importance of addressing the issue to ensure the reliability of the fuel system data presented to the vehicle operator. The first troubleshooting step for addressing DTC P0462 involves switching the vehicle ignition to the on position and allowing a 30-second wait period. This initial action is crucial as it enables the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to establish a communication line with various components, including the fuel level sensor. By energizing the electrical systems, any existing fault codes can be read, and specific circuits can be assessed effectively. This waiting period is vital for the PCM to accurately gauge the signal parameters coming from the sensor, thereby facilitating a more efficient inspection of the components involved. Understanding this initial step ensures that all subsequent diagnostics are conducted correctly, which is essential for identifying the root cause of the DTC. In the second troubleshooting step, the fuel gauge sending unit is tested to determine its functionality. This unit must be examined for proper output voltage as it directly influences the fuel level readings shown on the dashboard. Disconnecting the fuel tank unit connector allows the technician to measure the voltage levels accurately without interference from other components. If the output voltage falls below the normal range, it indicates the sensor may be malfunctioning, necessitating further inspection or replacement. This step emphasizes the significance of isolating the sensor to ensure accurate diagnostics before proceeding with additional circuit tests. Each measurement helps shape a clearer picture of whether the fuel gauge sending unit is the source of the malfunction, guiding the next steps in diagnosis. The third step in the troubleshooting process is an inspection of the external circuit related to the fuel gauge sending unit. This involves checking for shorted wires that may be contributing to a low voltage reading. A thorough examination of the wiring harness can reveal issues such as frayed wires or connections that have come loose. If the fuel gauge plus signal wire is shorted to ground, it could cause incorrect readings, thereby triggering DTC P0462. Using specialized tools to inspect the integrity of these wires is crucial for ensuring a reliable electrical connection. By addressing any identified problems in the circuit, technicians can eliminate common sources of errors that may be causing the DTC to illuminate, thus driving the vehicle back to optimal performance. The fourth troubleshooting step focuses on the inspection of the gauge control module, which processes input from the fuel gauge sending unit. If the previous steps confirmed that the fuel gauge sending unit and external circuits are functioning correctly, the next probable source of the issue may lie within the gauge control module itself. By examining this component, technicians can identify if it has failed or is incorrectly interpreting the information from the fuel sending unit. If it is determined that the gauge control module is at fault, it will likely require replacement to rectify the DTC. This step is essential as it serves as a conclusion point for confirming component functionality and ensures that all avenues have been explored before proceeding with repairs or replacements. After completing the repair process for DTC P0462, the final step involves verifying that the issue has been resolved. This is done by clearing the diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM after the repairs have been made. Subsequently, conducting a test drive allows the technician to observe the vehicle's performance under normal operating conditions, which is crucial for confirming the successful resolution of the fault. During the test drive, paying close attention to the fuel gauge readings ensures that the data provided aligns with the actual fuel levels in the tank. If the readings are now accurate, it indicates the repair has been successful. If the DTC reappears, further diagnosis may be warranted to explore underlying issues that may not have been initially identified. This step is crucial for ensuring the vehicle operates seamlessly post-repair. Preventive maintenance is essential for longevity and reliable performance of vehicle components related to the fuel level sensor and gauge control module. Regular inspections of these components can catch potential issues early, preventing more significant problems down the line. Technicians should monitor the accuracy of the fuel gauge readings routinely as part of standard vehicle maintenance. Ensuring that all electrical connections are secure can also reduce the risk of faults caused by corrosion or wear and tear over time. Implementing these preventive measures will help maintain the performance of the components, thereby reducing the likelihood of encountering DTC P0462 in the future. Awareness of these suggestions enriches vehicle owners' understanding of their vehicles and promotes proactive care. In conclusion, understanding the significance of DTC P0462 is vital for addressing issues related to the fuel level sensor and gauge control module effectively. A systematic troubleshooting approach ensures each component is accurately assessed, leading to precise identification of the fault source. This thorough investigation can pinpoint issues in the fuel gauge sending unit, external circuits, or the gauge control module itself. The findings from this diagnostic process not only guide effective repairs, but also emphasize the importance of preventive maintenance to bolster the longevity of vehicle components. By regularly monitoring and maintaining these crucial systems, vehicle owners can avert unexpected failures and maintain optimal vehicle performance. Adopting these practices enhances both safety and reliability, while ensuring a more enjoyable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.